Hey guys, and welcome back to another Mint Minute. Today we have a very fun activity for you guys that will not only keep you occupied while you're working or learning from home, but also celebrates the awesome chemical diversity of the mint family. We are making Lamiaceae Play-Doh. Things you will need for Lamiaceae Play-Doh are 1 cup of flour, a half cup of salt, 1 cup of boiling water, be careful kids, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar or lemon juice to preserve it, some food coloring if you want, and half a cup of your favorite mint leaves. Because we were talking about lavender the other day, I thought it'd be fun to make some lavender scented Play-Doh. And because my lavender plant died, I'll be using some lavender essential oil. Just a few drops should do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is mix that boiling water, the oil, and the salt until the salt is completely dissolved. It is so important. If you don't dissolve your salt all the way, your Play-Doh will be a sticky mess. Add that cream of tartar or lemon juice and some food coloring if you want. Add the flour. Knead that dough. Start with a spoon, but you are going to have to use your hands in the end. And finally, go ahead and add that essential oil, or my favorite, take the leaves of your favorite mint plant and rip them and rub them together. What we're doing when we rip and rub the leaf is disturbing the plant, turning on different proteins that create these oils and compounds. Glandular trichomes, which are hair-like cells on the leaf surface, express these oils as a way to defend the plant. By adding the leaves or the essential oil to the Play-Doh, we can then incorporate those compounds into the rest of our mixture. All you need to do is keep that Play-Doh in an airtight container, and you can play with that and enjoy it for about 3 to 4 months. To check out the full recipe or check out some more members of the Mint family you can use, visit our website located right here at this link. And we will see you next week. Have fun. Bye.